In a surprising revelation, King Charles's breakfast choice of fiber-rich linseed is becoming a cornerstone of his healthy lifestyle, especially as he gears up for a cancer fight. Known for his love of the outdoors, the monarch's dedication to fresh produce and a unique eating schedule sets the stage for his well-being. King Charles starts his day with a breakfast rich in linseed on fruit, emphasizing a commitment to a healthy lifestyle. This dietary choice is not only a personal preference but also a strategic move as he faces the challenges of his upcoming battle against cancer. In addition to fiber-packed breakfasts, the king has revealed that he abstains from consuming meat, fish, and dairy on specific days of the week. This aligns with his devotion to fresh produce and resonates with his commitment to a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Due to his hectic schedule, King Charles follows a unique approach to his daily routine. He doesn't eat lunch. Former Press Secretary Julian Payne sheds light on the king's demanding day and shares insights into how he manages to stay energized without a midday meal. Despite his busy schedule, the king takes a break around 1 p.m., not for lunch, but to get outside and walk. His love for the outdoors, nurtured during his time at Cornerstone School, has made him an advocate for a physically active lifestyle, including hiking and camping. Experts agree that maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for cancer prevention and during cancer treatment. King Charles's commitment to physical activity, outdoor pursuits, and a balanced diet aligns with recommendations for managing stress and fatigue associated with cancer. At 75, King Charles maintains a reputation for being fit and healthy. His active lifestyle, including hill walking and gardening, has contributed to his overall well-being. Despite minor ailments, a recent prostate enlargement treatment, and accidents from his active pursuits, he has seldom required extensive hospital treatment. King Charles has faced health challenges in the past, including falls during polo matches that led to persistent back pain. From hernia operations to non-cancerous growth removals, he has approached health issues with resilience and humor. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, he faced the virus twice, emphasizing the importance of vaccinations. An advocate of alternative and complementary medicines, King Charles promotes a holistic approach to health. As a patron of the General Osteopathic Council, he encourages a broader perspective on tackling health problems, likely incorporating holistic methods alongside a schedule of regular treatments. As King Charles embarks on his cancer fight, his dedication to a healthy lifestyle becomes a focal point. From linseed breakfasts to outdoor walks, his choices reflect a holistic approach to well-being. That's a wrap for today's insight into the king's health journey. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more intriguing updates on Celeb Explore Hub.